Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change a family member on your Facebook page using your PC, especially with the new update that Facebook recently rolled out. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step so you can update your family relationships quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the menu options just below your cover photo. Click on the About tab. This section holds all your personal details, including your family and relationships. In the About section, scroll down or look on the left-hand side menu until you find Family and Relationships. Click on it to open the list of family members you've added to your profile. Here's where you can make your changes. Find the family member you want to edit. Next to their name, you'll see 3 small dots. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options, select Edit Family Member. Once you're in the edit mode, you can update the relationship type, change the person linked, or remove them altogether if needed. Make sure to double-check your changes to ensure everything is accurate. After you've made your updates, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom. This will apply your changes and update your profile immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed a family member on your Facebook page using your PC with the latest update. It's a straightforward process that helps keep your profile information up to date, reflecting your current family relationships. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Facebook tips and tricks.